Hello guys, in this video I will explain to you how to extend security updates in Windows 10. First, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell. As you can see, I have an option to extend security updates in Windows 10. If you don't see this option, all you have to do is continue downloading Windows updates. Well, let's get started. We will now click on Enroll Now. Then I will click on Next. Here I will add an existing Microsoft account or create a new one by clicking on Create One. Then I will click on Next. Here I will choose to sign in using a password. Here I will click on Add Device to extend the receipt of security updates for this computer. Here I am informed that this device will continue to receive security updates until next October. After finishing, I will click on Done. If you want to upgrade to Windows 11, at the end of the video, you will see a tutorial explaining this topic. If you like the video, click like and subscribe to my channel to encourage me to provide everything new.